Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is regarding about how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Go to the Google Chrome and type Gmail. Now click on Gmail account create. Click on the first link page. Click on create an account. Type your name. Type a unique email address. It should be simple and easy so that you can remember your email address. अब मेरा email address ready हो चुका है. Now type a password that contains character, numeric and symbolic. उदाहरण के तौर पर ABCD 1 2 3 star. Now click on next. इसको ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए. Now enter your date of birth. You can check the description below how to create a Gmail account from mobile. तो डेट ऑफ बर्थ हो चुका है, तो जेंडर सेलेक्ट कीजिए and then press next. Scroll down and press on agree. Now wait for a moment. Click on the Google Apps and go to the Gmail, and your Gmail has been created without phone number. This is how it is done. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and if you do like my channel, please subscribe and go through my channel. There are more videos, like you can create YouTube channel art, the banner, and you can create the thumbnail with free app through mobile. There are more videos, so you can go through my channel. Thank you again for watching my video. So we'll meet again in the next video.